What's up, guys? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage, driving into the sunlight with you this evening, but we're about to take a right turn and get out of that. I am driving, get this, a 1997 Volvo v90 wagon. Yes, can you believe that? I found one for sale here locally. An old V90 wagon, and when you see the interior, I mean, when I do the walk around, you're just going crap. I mean, this thing's amazing condition. Get her up to speed here a little bit. Now, she's not 100%, but she's pretty darn good. The lady that owns this thing has gone through it with a fine-tooth comb. See if I'll be darned, the freaking cruise does work. I mean, y'all, look at this. Look at the condition of this back seat. I mean, this car is nice. Look at the piping and stuff around the seat. I mean, they have gone through and done timing belt, head gaskets, the whole AC system has been gone through, brakes, struts, tie rods. I mean, you name it, they have done it all. And it only has 128,000 miles. That's incredible for a 97. I mean, this thing's tight. I mean, I'm going 85. I got the cruise set on 85, and she's just humming. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is based, the V90 was the last couple of years of basically the 960 wagon. And it's an inline 6-cylinder, a 2.9. You know, some people loved it, some people hated it. It was known for head gasket failures, but you know, you just gotta keep your eye on it, maintain the damn thing. A lot of people let timing belt slip on these. Don't do that crap. Do your timing belt. But yeah, she saw this sitting in the gentleman's yard and asked him about it, and she said, let's fix it up, and I want to make it my daily driver. So she did. And I think it's really cool that she did that. And darn if it does not just drive great. I've got a little bit of a noisy sunroof. The sunroof it's not quite in the, there it is. That's better. It wasn't quite closed. There we go. Much, much better. Oh man, this thing drops like a freaking dream, y'all. This thing drops great. What comfy seats. Good old Volvo seats, can't beat them. I may buy this car, y'all. It's for sale. May buy it. Got ice cold AC. Got your winter sport economy modes down here with heated seats. I mean, how cool is this? I'll be quiet for a minute and let's just do a little riding. be back with a walk around in just a moment. That side impact protection system. Side airbags in 97. No curtain airbags, but side airbags. Look at that headliner. I mean, this thing's in great shape. That is the only bad spot on the seat. Look at that driver's seat. What a cool bird, man. Cool old bird. She's got the title and all her receipts for work done right here. Let's see. I'm curious how long she's had it. Since 2020. But yeah, got fairly new hand-cooked tires. The paint's actually pretty decent. I mean, it's not terrific, but it probably could polish up some. Listen to that inline six. Man, that thing sounds good. Wow. Really cleaned up nicely. And just sounds as smooth. Really cool piece. So cool. Not neat. Portland Volvo. I'm assuming it came out of Oregon. No third row on this one, unfortunately, but you know, it does have the cargo areas. Let's see, transmission fluid. I'm wondering if it's got a transmission fluid leak. Need to check it and see if it's got any leaks. I'm going to pause it for a second. Did we get a walk around? I don't know. I may have stopped the camera. Let's crank it up. Got just a little exhaust leak. I'll do the walk around again in case y'all didn't see it. My camera only said a minute something, so I wasn't sure. Isn't it good looking? Looks great. Paint's in great shape. Came out of Portland, Oregon. It's got new tires. Hand cooks on it. I mean, the paint's a little dull, but it's still got a little clear coat on it. It should shine up a little bit. It's a neat old car. Just clean. And the lack of wear is just crazy. Let's get back on the interstate. I was really amazed at how easily it just shot right up to 85, 90 miles an hour. Oops. Just want regular D. God, this car feels so small by today's standards. I mean, this was a big rear-wheel drive wagon back in the 90s. And now it just feels so small. Wow. mean, but look at her go, man. She likes to go. I mean, she is a highway runner. I'm amazed at how easily she cruises. I mean, we're pushing almost 3,500 RPM, but we're going 90. She flies, just flies right along, piece of cake. This was the big wagon back in the 90s. God, it seems so small now. I just love this thing. So there it is, y'all. 1997 Volvo V90 wagon. So cool. I sold the Sable wagon, by the way. I don't think I've mentioned that, but it's gone. So I didn't want. I bought the E500, but I just went and put it for sale. I don't think I want to keep it. I'm not a big fan of the Airmatic suspension, even though it works on that car. It rides a little too hard for my taste. I'm entertaining this wagon here, and of course I'll keep you guys updated if I go this route. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe if you like Volvo gravy. Man, this one's a nice one. I mean, just nice. Everything just in great shape. Really incredible. The wood grain, everything, all the buttons. Anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.